Hello everyone, hope you are fine and good. In my this video tutorial, I will tell you about the dual apps in your device Vivo Y01. So if in this device you want to know about the dual app, like you can say the clone apps, you already have one but you want to download the same another app, you can easily do this by the methods I will show you in my this video. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the dual apps in your device Vivo Y01. Let's watch it.